Hello and welcome. In this video, we're going to explore telescoping series, which are a fascinating type of series where terms collapse, making them easy to sum. So, what exactly is a telescoping series? It's a series where the majority of terms cancel out when you look at its partial sums. This cancellation leaves behind just a few initial and final terms. The name comes from the way a portable telescope collapses into itself, section by section. Often, a series might not appear to be telescoping at first glance. This is where a technique called partial fraction decomposition becomes incredibly useful. By breaking down a complex fraction into simpler ones, we can rewrite the terms of the series into a form that clearly shows the cancellation pattern. Let's look at an example. Consider the series made from the terms 1 divided by n times n plus 1. When we write out the first few partial sums, you can see the magic happen. The negative 1/2 cancels with the positive 1/2. The negative 1/3 cancels with the positive 1/3, and so on. The only terms that don't get cancelled are the very first term, which is 1, and the very last term. Here's a visual representation of what's happening. Each term in our decomposed series has a positive part and a negative part. The negative part of one term is perfectly cancelled out by the positive part of the very next term. This chain reaction continues, leaving a clear path from the beginning to the end. To find the total sum of an infinite telescoping series, we first need the formula for its nth partial sum. In our example, that's 1 minus 1 divided by n plus 1. Then, we find the limit of this expression as n approaches infinity. As n gets larger and larger, the fraction becomes 0. This leaves us with just the number 1. So, the sum of our entire infinite series is simply 1. In general, a telescoping series can be written as the sum of f of n minus f of n plus 1. The partial sum up to the kth term simplifies to just f of 1 minus f of k plus 1. The sum of the infinite series is then the limit of this expression as k goes to infinity. To sum up, when you encounter a series that might be telescoping, first, try using partial fractions to rewrite the terms. Then, write out a few partial sums to confirm the cancellation pattern and find the formula for the nth partial sum. Finally, take the limit of that formula as n approaches infinity to find the final sum of the series.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.